Can you just tell me a bit about what did you do today?
Tagged up Churchill as a racist on the statue of Churchill because he is a confirmed racist. He didn't fight the Nazis for the Commonwealth or for anything else or for any personal freedoms. He fought the Nazis sheerly to protect the Commonwealth, right? To protect the Commonwealth against invasion by foreign forces. He didn't do it for black people or people of colour or people of anything. He did it sheerly for colonialism.
People would be angry with that.
Can I say something? Can I say something, brother?
People will be angry with that. What do you say to them?
What I say is like, people are going to be angry, yeah, cool, they can be angry, but at the end of the day, I'm angry that for many years, right, we've been oppressed, right? You can't enslave people, right? Have the largest colonial empire in ever in history, and then try and come and be like, yeah, let's be peaceful, let's talk, blah, blah, blah. It don't work like that. We're pissed off. We're pissed off. There's reparations. Why is it that the UK taxpayer was paying reparations to slave owners until 2015? What kind of fuckeries is that? Fuck that. It's like people laid down their lives, right, in World War II and in various world wars, right, and they don't get the show that they deserve. They really don't.
Thank you.
Winston Churchill personally took decisions to allow people to die while his government acquired all the grain in Bengal that they could get, not to feed the war effort, as was wrongly suggested, but to enhance buffer stocks, reserve stocks, in the event of a likely future invasion of Greece and Yugoslavia. And Australian ships were docking at the port of Calcutta laden with wheat. And Churchill was personally deciding, either he or his odious Paymaster General, Lord Cherwell, acting on his instructions, to not allow those ships to disembark their cargo, but to continue to sail on to Europe. When officials in India wrote to him saying, people are dying, they're literally dying on the streets, he said, well, I hate Indians, they're a beastly people with a beastly religion. It's all their fault anyway for breeding like rabbits.